Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's great to see you all here today. For a long, long time, we have understood our world by what we see, touch, and measure. We have watched apples fall, planet move, and electricity work. Our school and even our everyday technology are all built on these simple expected rules. But there is a hidden strange part of the universe where tiny particles can be in many places at once. They can get entangled in no time, and these particles can spin simultaneously in different directions, which is doesn't making any sense, right? This is the puzzling world of quantum mechanics. And in this very mysterious quantum world is where the next big changes in computer are happening. I'm Sabatkar, co-founder and director at Alampul Education Foundation and ITS Technology. Our goal at Alampul is to spark new ideas in young minds and make tricky topics easy to understand. Today, we have someone truly special who shows us what it means to be curious and brave enough to explore tough ideas. People often say quantum computing is only for extraordinary smart people or physicists. But what if I tell you an 11-year-old not only gets these complex ideas but is also excited to explain them to you? Please give a big warm welcome to Arham Akhtar Alam. He is one of the amazing students from Alampur. He has finished our special quantum basic program designed for young minds. This program includes BCP, CMP, PFA, QBP. These programs are actually the first step to understand quantum mechanics. And after completing our QBP, Aram didn't stop there. He went on and completed an advanced MIT Expro program on quantum computing and explored various algorithms, qubit modality, and quantum gates. Today, he is ready to demystify quantum computing for everyone, sharing his deep love for the subject. Arham, the stage is yours.